Well, hi everyone, and welcome to the Buffett and Beyond Research Saturday Stock Market Recap, March 21st, 2026. And remember, folks, if you want to live on this beach like Jimmy Buffett once did, you've got to learn how to invest even better than Warren Buffett does now. And the market, well, this has been a very tough week for the market, no doubt about it. With the price of oil heading higher and higher, gas at the pump is beginning to alter the spending patterns of us everyday folks. And our weekly analysis video of Micron Technology is up 33% this year already and up 326% in the past 1 year. It's one of those stocks where the demand for storage is greater than one can possibly imagine. In our ETF video, let's look at what ETFs are working and which are not. Our dividend growth and income portfolio is still up a couple of percent when you calculate the dividend so far. And where do you see the results of our housing top stocks? And guess what? Healthcare is doing pretty good. That's because it's already been terrible for the past year and a half, but it's doing pretty good today. So let's go look at the S&P 500, and all we could see at the top here, and this is the stochastics, and it's down, 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 lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. And still, when we thought we'd get a little reprieve here on the other day, nope, it just couldn't make it. And this red line down here is that 200-day moving average. As I'm recording this an hour or so before the market closes on Friday, we're right down here at the bottom. And of course, what kind of gave it away, not that it would be this serious or seem this serious, it's not as serious as it feels, believe me, is the crossover of the 20-day over the 50. That's kind of a sell signal for a lot of traders out there. And boy, I guess they did sell indeed. And our intermediate term indicator is in very oversold conditions. So we just might see a bounce in here sometime this coming week. And that would be nice. Any bit of good news coming out of the Gulf relative to the passage of oil would be good news for the market. First of all, we want to say that the SPY, or the S&P 500, is down 3.6% this week alone. It's down 7.2% from its high. Now let's look at our growth portfolio, and it is down 3.3%. So it's doing better than the market itself, without a doubt. And we've got some big winners in here. And, you know, one of these negatives down here is Microsoft. Could you believe Microsoft would be at the bottom of any of these charts? So, yeah, well, we could see that some of those stocks that we all loved last year and the year before, we've loved for the past 20 years, really having a difficult time this year. And when we look at the dividend growth and income portfolio, we're up 1.5% with the market down, remember, from the high, 7.2%. I'm talking about the S&P 500. Our dividend growth and income portfolio is up 1.5%. Add another 1% to that for the dividends for this first quarter, and we're up 2.5%. So it's pretty nice for a change to see something like that. And the SPY is 672, and it's down 3.6% this week, as I already mentioned. And boy, we're glad we have these puts in place just so we don't have to worry about it. And even though we are worried about it because we haven't seen negatives in portfolios for a long time, except little hits here and there. But yeah, we've got a nice little decline on our hands here, and that chart just doesn't look good, except we're very, very oversold. The QQQs, 581, they're down less than the S&P 500. They're down about 3.1% for the year, and they're actually doing quite nicely in here, and they're the ones that are holding up. It's the S&P 500 and the Dow, especially at lows below its 200-day moving average, as is just about everything else. So, folks, we had a tough week this week. We don't even want to talk about it, but our portfolios are doing pretty good considering what's going on out there. So we picked the right stocks, and the thing is, once this market turns around, our portfolios are really going to shoot ahead. But meanwhile, you go out, clear your head, don't think about the market for the whole weekend, and be with your loved ones, have Sunday dinner, go for a walk on the beach, go for a walk in the snow. most of all, stay well, and we'll see you back here in a couple of days.